Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video, and it is a sad day for many YouTube channels, okay? We just got hit with a new update with their monetization rules, and this is going to apply for the channels that have under 1,000 subscribers and that have 4,000 hours of watch time. So if you're under that amount, all your videos will be demonetized and you will no longer be able to make money off your YouTube videos. So it's pretty crazy. You know, I do YouTube, but I don't really look as YouTube as my main income source, okay? Because I know that you have to have a lot of views to make money, okay, on YouTube. And that's not my strategy here. My strategy is to build a small following of people that I help out on a daily basis, and I teach them something valuable, and in return I can recommend them to a product, okay? And this is what you guys are going to have to do. If you're a small YouTube channel, you can't rely on YouTube as your main source of income, okay? It's just happening more often these days that YouTube continues to demonetize our content, okay? And you know, YouTube is a great place to build your channel up. It's great to build an audience, but it's not great to make money off of, okay? So you have to depend on other income streams each month, okay? And some ways how you can prevent this is, I talk about a lot about affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products and services and just dropping a link in your description, promoting products that are actually relevant to your audience and actually help them. That can be a good side income along with YouTube, okay? And that's what I do on my channel. I promote some products that I think I can help my audience with, okay? But you can also do partnerships, okay? Look for companies and a product that you use, and ask them for a product for you to review, or ask them for a product to send you, and you show it on your YouTube channel, and in return you put an affiliate link, okay, for their product, and they would be happy to send you over their products in exchange for you to show your audience to, okay? So affiliate marketing, sponsorships. There's also, be more entrepreneurial, okay? Think outside the box, okay? Nowadays you can start, you can do video courses, you can sell your own ebooks, okay? And anybody can create a course nowadays, okay? Sites like Udemy, Teachable, it's so easy to just record content teaching people a specific skill set and putting it out there on a course, and you can get some good income with a course, okay? I see a lot of YouTubers doing this nowadays, having their own course, okay? That's going to grow your brand. It's going to bring in more people as well. It's going to grow your audience, and it's a great passive income, okay? You just have to create the product once, and if you continue to sell the product, you'll make money each month. So it's awesome. It's an awesome income stream, doing courses, also doing your own ebook, okay? You can sell a book on a specific topic, like internet marketing, or it could be fitness. That can also sell well. So think more outside the box, be more entrepreneurial, see other ways how you can make money online, okay? YouTube is not the only way to make money, and you should definitely look at the ways that I mentioned in this video, okay? So I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Give me a comment. I want some feedback. What do you think about this new YouTube demonetization? What are you going to do to get around it, okay? Are you going to promote affiliate products, create your own products? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear, and I would love to interact with you guys, okay? So that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.